Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gamer again, bringing you Crystal of Atlan content. So now they gave us a summary survey. Technically, if you participate in the survey, you're gonna get extra 200k gold. So the thing is, I haven't, despite me going into the survey, I can't really show it to you. I don't know what's happening there. I can show the, if you go to your window, they can't really show you the window. So I did screenshot everything, like not everything, but like the things that I interest me the most. So I'll be talking about that one here. So how do you like Crystal of Atlan in general? Not very satisfied in what way? So I wrote it here. I've checked all of this. Let me just make this one bigger so that you can see it. So I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's still the sentiments of everybody. So the rare gear is too hard to get. There's like a 2 million, 3 million cap on that. So and then you can't really grind it too much because it's like you're logged with energy. So too much spending pressure. Low spenders are no match for high spenders. Too little stamina, and like the gacha system is only catered to the whales. And stop being scummy. I wrote it there. So next would be, why do you feel like dissatisfied? So high cost and low rates per gacha. I'm just telling for people who really want to go to the gacha. There are too few discounts, so too much spending pressure. Paid items are not worth it. High cost of and then low rates, and then uh, paid cosmetics and titles are not attractive enough. So that's one, and this one would be the next one. Let me just get that one for you guys. It's a bit. Let me copy paste in this one. There's lots of things here. So let's copy paste this in Paint because I can't really see what's. I can't really share it. I don't know why. Let me just do this. Then let's paste this and then let's save it. And then I'll show it to you now. So let's this one would be the next thing. So how do you feel dissatisfied with character building? So I don't know where I can obtain materials. Yeah, it's, I'm just pointing it out for people who are is just starting, but I it's very easy. You just like click it. The loss is too huge with gear enhancements because if you fail, you need to like spend a lot of gold, and that's crazy. So dull gaming experience. Like I should check everything here. I spend too much time to play the game. This is the only thing that like I don't spend too much time. But people who do want to spend time should not be checking this. Okay, it's hard to enhance the gear. Yeah, because like you need to like grind it, and in order for you to grind it, you need like energy, and the energy is like refreshing every 24 hours. So you're gated. So it's technically bad. But and then the huge of gear enhancement failure, imbalance between different classes. I can't sell gold, high cost of progression upgrades, too little stamina, severe shortage of gold. I can't feel my growth. So despite you trying to level up your character, those stuff, that's lots of like numbers popping out in your face with regards to your equipments. You don't really feel it. You don't really feel it. Like the cooldown time, you don't really feel it. The crit rate, you don't really feel it. It's not really doing anything, any favors. It's just like good numbers, and then you just go from there. You go for your instinct, wherein if you're playing MMO or you're playing gacha, you go for attack, crit rate, crit damage, like that. And if there's heals, you can go for that. If you want cooldown, faster cooldown rate, you go for cooldown rate. It's kind of like and then lacks long-term objectives. So sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. Some people do feel that way. So I'm just posting all of that one there. So again, do play this and participate. If you are done with the survey, play this and participate, and then send this one. I will be submitting it now. I'm gonna check everything else here so that like everything is like sent to them, and I'm just gonna say bad. Yeah, that's it. Bad. I just wanna put my point across. I wanna put my point across so that I can submit it. And then once I submitted that, so you're done. So I don't have any more surveys. So again, at least you get 200k bonded for you. Bounded gold across the board. So at least you have that with you. But again, if you want to like make Crystal of Atlan good in a way, my rant is still the same. It's an MMO, but it's not. It's a gacha, but it's not. But if you're free to play, you can still play this. You can still participate because there's lots of like characters who are spending, and you can just participate with them, helping them out and trying to do your quest, trying to bolster up your resources. Again, with your gear enhancement, so you can go here to the gears, and then there's a craft mechanic here. So on the craft mechanic, like for example, you go to your helmet. I have the Void Shadow helmet. You can upgrade this by having the Void Shadow helmet and then grinding this Ultra Engraving. It's a bit hard to get, but the crafting is 30,000. But in order for you to gather more or powerful gears, it's here. Okay, the like some of them are not really in the branch. Okay, growing up in the branch here. So you go, like I have the Forbidden Mask here, but like I don't really want to. Like if you want to go here, it's quite a lot, like 2 million plus epic armor shard, and then you can build that. Like you can also ask for your fleet to give you some of the shards, but again 2 million is quite a big money. You can't really, it's very difficult to deal with. But again, at the end of the day, at least you have epic voids. You have your void set here. So you see, I have a Void Shadow, you have your Void Phantom Gloves here. You just need to like grind the Ultra Engraving here in the Void Realm. Okay? So that's the only thing that's feasible for you to get up until Epic 55. But like 60 and above, you need to get like this 2 million stuff here, which is not that great. So even the gear listing, it's kind of hard for you to like grind. So I'm not quite sure when are they changing this. I'm still I'm still able to clear the content. I'm still having fun, but at the end of the day, it's not it's almost like an MMO, like a 1/4 MMO, because you can participate with like everybody. You can talk to everybody. You can have your guild. You can go to your guild boss. But again, you're gated with energy. Gacha, it's so pay to win. You can't even participate in a gacha as a free to play. Even as a dolphin, you can't be doing dolphin stuff here because like it's so scummy. That's not gonna be really nice. But the good thing about it, it's the gameplay wherein it's fairly smooth. I like the smoothness. That's why I'm playing it. Um, I quit Black Beacon because Black Beacon treats us like poops from the first, and then there's not too much rewards on the first event, and it's a male character. They could have put a girl waifu there, but like it's just my opinion. Uh, so I didn't really. It's like it's not that smooth gameplay as well on Black Beacon, so I dropped that. But like I'm still playing this, hoping that there's some changes. But like if done, I want to see how this character goes moving forward. Like maybe get all of the void equipments here, then farm, and then go with the gunner, because like this sight lady and the gunner is my favorite. Moving forward, I just wanna like see, and then try to like become a gacha wherein you log in, you log out. That's it. Grind, log in, log out. It's quite fast if it's like gated with energy. But like again, if you call it an MMO, everybody needs to have an ability to grind it 24/7, which we don't have. So hopefully you answered the survey. Help this one out if you liking the game. Please do like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.